You see now, when you want to steam your milk in pincher, you have to put here and put. You see, you can start to use on Americano. When you want to make Americano, or you want to get hot water, maybe you want to make black tea, yeah, you come here and press get hot water. Yeah. After everyone, today we are going to see how to use espresso machine. Yeah, and I'm going to explain everything about espresso machine. Yeah, I'm going to show you even how you can use it as barista. Even you can have it at your home, you can have it even from your job. Yeah, when you come on your espresso machine, at the first thing you have to do is to turn on your espresso machine. Here is button you have to press on to make it turn on. Even there is another down there to turn on. After this, you have to come here after to turn on and wait our pressure to come high. Now when it is still low, you have to wait, because this machine cannot work without this pressure. This pressure, it's about steaming your milk. Yeah, after this there is another, you will see another machine, you will see it has the same like this, but for water, to measure our water. But this is automatic. When you have water, it's already there. So after that, I'm going to show you even another part. Here we have what we call steamer control. You see now, when you want to steam your milk in pincher, you have to put here and put. You see, you can steam it, you can still control your steaming. After this is the steam mode. This is the steam mode. After, you have to come here on this part. This part, it's called hot water. It's the part we use on Americano. When you want to make Americano, or you want to get hot water, maybe you want to make black tea, yeah, you come here and you press get hot water. Yeah, after this hot water button, there's another part which is more important, or which is main on this espresso machine, is group head. This part, or it's called group head, and this it's called short button. This it's called short button. This button, it's a button which we press when we want espresso, maybe double espresso, maybe single espresso, maybe longo. Yeah, everything, every coffee you want to extract, come here and on this button. Yeah, after this button, you see this is a button short and the group head. After this, there is another part which is amazing. This part, we call it warmer or boiler. This we use to warm our glasses, to warm this part. Yeah, you see, when you finish to clean our glasses, maybe there is water, there is some coldness, you have to bring it here to warm it. Yeah, there is the button here. You come and press this button if you want to warm it very properly. You come here and warm it. Yeah, this button is for warming this machine, this part. Yeah, after to this button, there is another third button. This button we press on this when we want to clean our machine. Yeah, this machine we get time to clean. Yeah, we get time to clean our machine. Yeah, after this, as a barista or as a coffee lover, after this all explanation I give you, you can make our coffee when you have this machine. Some people, they work in the place, they have this machine, but they don't know how to use it. They every time see barista making his things, but they don't know how he use it. Here we have another part. Yeah, here we have another part which called trayer, deep trayer. Deep trayer, this part we use it when you are going to extract our coffee. Yeah, to make it stable. Yeah, we press, we put our glasses here and extract our coffee. When you extract our coffee, yeah, we use this part. Even we use for cleaning our group head like this. You see, we are cleaning and water. is dropping down on this part. Yeah, now you see how you can use espresso machine. You can make, even you can start making your coffee. Yeah, go and check my videos. You will see how to make espresso using this machine. This machine basically it's machine for espresso, special, it's machine for espresso. Yeah, so now if you know how to use this machine and you know how to make espresso, you are special barista now. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Go and check out my another videos, shorts how to make a latte art, and check out how to use this machine with coffee. Yeah, thank you so much. Ciao ciao.